Hello children, welcome to 4th standard English. Today our topic, the lesson 7 seeds, part 1.
Children, let's learn My Little Pictionary. Foothill, a low hill at the base of a mountain. A low hill at the base of a mountain. Throne, the chair of the ruler. Throne, the chair of the ruler. Nurture, care for and protect something while they grow. Nurture, care for and protect something while they grow. Brass, a metal made by mixes of copper and zinc. A metal made by mixture of copper and zinc. Prison, a place where people who do not follow the law are locked up. Prison, a place where people who do not follow the law are locked up. Okay children, let's get into the lesson. The 7 seeds. The 7 seeds. Children, are you ready to listen the story? Good. Long ago, there was a kingdom at the foothills of Anaimalai. The kingdom flourished in trade and art under the rule of the king's rule. Children, do you know the meaning of flourished? Flourished means developed in a healthy way. The kingdom developed in a healthy way in trade. Okay. The king was respected and revered by all. Revered means respected. Okay. The king was respected and respected by all. Okay. It has been 30 years under his rule now. One day, the aging king woke up worried. Aging king woke up worried. He was getting very old and had no heir to take his place. No heir to take his place. He decided to adapt. Adapt. Children, do you know the meaning of adapt? Adapt means legally take and bring up. Legally take and bring up. Okay. The king decided to adapt and raise a child as the heir, but he knew that the adopted child must be honest. King decided to adapt and then adopt child must be honest. He thought, okay. The king held a competition in his kingdom that was open to all. The competition had many levels and spanned for nearly 6 months. At the end of it, 5 boys and 5 girls selected for the last round. Okay, there seemed little to separate them. Each one of them was intelligent, strong and capable. Each one of them was intelligent, strong and capable. Okay, the king said, I have one last test for you all. The one who passes this test will be the winner. The winner will be the heir to my throne. Like that, king said. Okay. Then he continued, our kingdom depends on agriculture. Okay. The kingdom depends on agriculture. So the new leader must know how to grow plants. He wished the new leader must know how to grow plants. He gave 7 seeds of wheat for all. Then he advised, take them home, plant and nurture them for 6 weeks. At the end of the 6th week, we shall who has done the best job for nurturing them, that person will be the heir to the throne. So the children took their seeds and hurried home. They all got a pot, prepared some soil, and sowed their seeds. The entire kingdom was excited. They were all anxious to see who the next king would be. One of the finalists was Annie. The days stretched into weeks, but the seeds failed to sprout. Annie did not know what had gone wrong. Annie and her parents were heartbroken because their seed didn't grow. Okay, she had selected the soil with care, put the right manure, and very dutifully watered it. Correct time. She watered at the correct time, and then she cared neatly. She had even prayed over it day and night, and yet her seeds hadn't grown at all. Some of her friends advised her to go and buy new seeds from the market and plant. Some other said to her, but she didn't agree because Annie's parents had always taught her the value of honesty. Honesty is the best policy. So Annie's parents had always taught her the value of honesty. So she didn't agree that. Okay. What happened next? We will continue in the next section.
Thank you, children.